You should visit Philippines. Maison. You should visit Philippines because of the culture and also a lot of people here is nice. Hi, Multo. The people here was so nice, right? So you should try. Nick, ano ba, Nick? Magbe time ka na. Yes, we are nice. Okay, taga-Italy ka. O ano, bakit nandito ka na naman? Para magpainggit. Are you working now? Hi, don't. Are you working now, Joey? Kasi tatay ako. Go. Bakit mo kailangan sabihin dito? I'm stressing. Hindi. Diyan ka sa Italy. No, I'm off work now. Ah, really? Because it's Holy Week, right? In US, it's considered as holiday if it's Holy Week. Hi, Dance. What's your work? It's just another week. Ah, okay. Ay, hindi pala ikaw. Ano ba, di? No, not here, unfortunately. Ah, okay. So you are high goal. Oh my gosh, that's good. Engineer. How long did you study engineering? Damn. Right? Damn. A big salute to you because you're a software engineer. I have my master's in computer science. Oh, did you finish there in New York? Because studying in New York is so expensive, right? Right, Joey? No, I went to school in California. So basically, you deployed there? You have been deployed there? That's why you're there. Hi, third is Sophie. Hello, guys. Hi, Patrick. Manong tawa ng metal. Antok na ako. Deactivated. Ikaw kasi. Hi, Jay Moore. Huwag niyo na ako tawanan na antok na ako. Please, 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 please. Hi, Jay Moore. Hi, Deactivated. Hello, guys. Good morning. My English was poor. Please. Please, hello. Ano ba yan? Why, what? Who are you deactivated? Why did you change your account? Ano ba, Jay Moore? Sino to? Who are you?
Hello guys.
Sino ka?
Yun. Stack mo balls.
Ay, ganon.
Alam,
Sabi ko.
mag-deactivated muna.
Ah, okay. Go. Jay Moore, ano ba,
Isang linggo
Jay
lang.
Moore? Bakit ka tumatawa? Oo nga, si
Pag
Sam.
mag-balls, bakit Miko?
Jay Moore, anong
Alay ikaw Miko,
nakakatawa?
pinalo kita sa ID, di mo ako pinalo ah.
Anong nakakatawa, Jay Moore? Talaga, talaga.